How to get money on Cash App. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get money on Cash App, whether it's receiving payments from others or adding money to your balance. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. If someone is sending you money, they can do it by entering your Cashtag, phone number, or email linked to your Cash App. Once they send the money, it will instantly appear in your Cash App balance. To request money, enter the amount. Tap on the Request button. A new window will pop up. Choose the person you want to request from. Once they approve, the money will be added to your balance. If you want to add money yourself, go to your Cash App home screen by tapping the bank icon in bottom left corner. Tap Add Money, enter the amount that you want to send, then confirm the transaction. Make sure your bank account or debit card is linked to Cash App for this option. You can also receive money through direct deposits if you have a Cash App account with a routing and account number. This allows you to get your paycheck or government payments directly in your Cash App balance. And there you have it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful videos. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.